10-minute full body stretch for stiff bodies, vertical bar, gentle yoga flow. Welcome. This is a 10-minute full body stretch for anyone feeling stiff or tight, whether it's morning tension, after long hours at your desk, or just a moment where your body needs some care and space. This gentle sequence is designed to open up the neck, shoulders, hips, hamstrings, and spine. No experience necessary. You can do this on your mat, or even in bed, if that's where you are right now. Let's begin. Seated warm-up. Find a comfortable seat, cross-legged, kneeling, or sitting on a cushion or chair. Let your hands rest on your knees. Close your eyes for a moment and just begin to notice the breath. Inhale slowly through your nose and exhale gently through your mouth. Let's take one more like that. Inhale deeply. Exhale completely. Let's start by rolling the shoulders up and back. Big circular movements. Feel the shoulder blades glide along the back body. Now reverse the direction, bringing them forward and down. Good. Now gently turn the head from side to side. Chin towards one shoulder, then the other. Try not to rush it. Bring the chin down to the chest now, letting the back of the neck open. You can rock side to side if that feels nice. Inhale, lift the head back to center. Sit tall. Side stretches and twists. Inhale. Reach both arms up overhead. Exhale. Side bend to your left. Left hand down. Right arm up and over. Feel the stretch from your right hip all the way through the fingertips. Inhale. Lift back to center. Exhale. Side bend to the right. Right hand down. Left arm up and over. Take one more each side, moving with your breath. Come back to center. Inhale, arms up once again. Exhale, twist to your left. Right hand to left knee, left hand behind you. Inhale to lengthen the spine. Exhale, maybe deepen the twist just a touch. Inhale back to center. Exhale, twist to the right. Come back to center and gently bring the hands down. Tabletop and lower body stretch. Make your way into tabletop position. Hands under shoulders, knees under hips. Begin with a few rounds of cat-cow to warm the spine. Inhale, drop the belly, lift the gaze for cow pose. Exhale, round the spine, tuck the chin for cat pose. Flow through this a few times at your own pace. Now tuck your toes under and extend your right leg straight back behind you. Rock gently forward and back, stretching into the calf and sole of the foot. Bring the right knee back in and switch sides. Extend the left leg back. Breathe into the back of the leg. Come back to tabletop. Walk your hands slightly forward. Begin to move organically. Maybe shift the hips side to side. Do some gentle circles or wag the tail. Whatever your body is asking for in this moment, let it have it. Thread the needle plus gentle back bend. Now inhale, reach your right arm up to the sky. Exhale, thread it underneath the left arm, resting the right shoulder and ear down. You can keep the left hand planted or reach it forward for a deeper stretch. Breathe into the upper back and shoulder. Gently release and switch sides. Inhale, left arm lifts. Exhale, thread it through. Release and come back to center. Lower all the way down to your belly. Bring your forearms in front of you for Sphinx pose, elbows under shoulders. Lift through the chest. Lengthen the spine. Shoulders draw down and away from the ears. You can stay still or gently sway side to side, softening into the lower back. Take a few slow, deep breaths. If it feels okay in your body, you can slide the hands back and press into a low cobra or upward dog, lifting the chest further, only if it feels supportive. Child's pose and closing. Slowly press back into child's pose, knees wide, big toes together. Let your hips sink toward your heels. Forehead rests on the mat or on stacked fists or a pillow. Arms can stretch forward or rest by your sides. Take this final moment to fully surrender. Feel the breath move into the back body. Inhale, expand through the ribs. Exhale, soften, release. Let everything go, the tension, the to-do list, the stiffness. Just breath and presence. Stay here as long as you'd like, or begin to rise up gently, stacking the spine one vertebra at a time. Head comes up last. Bring your palms together at heart center. Inhale, reach the arms up overhead. Exhale, back to heart. Thank you for showing up for yourself today. Your body thanks you. Namaste. Closing note. If you enjoyed this practice, feel free to like this video and subscribe for more. Leave a comment below. How does your body feel now? Take care, and I'll see you next time.